Live, local, and now. It's better to look good than to feel good, but you can have both, as it turns out, Fernando from Saturday Night Live in the mid-'80s. It's the focus of a big beauty convention in town this week. Good Day Las Vegas is JC Fernandez live at the Las Vegas Convention Center, where vendors are showing off what's next in beauty and wellness. Good morning, JC.
Hey, John, good morning, everyone. A lot of people are into the red light therapy. This is Sean with Celluma. What's happening here? What are you guys doing here?
So what we're doing here, we are the clinical gold standard when it comes to light therapy devices for both clinical and at-home use. Here we've got our device positioned in a couple different ways. As you can see here, what we are FDA cleared for things like body contouring, so shrinking down that waistline. Also we have hair restoration treatments, all sorts of different ways that this device can be used anywhere on the body.
And you have, because my wife has one of these masks, but this mask here, turn that on, and how do I put it on first? This seems next level. What is this going to be doing to my face?
So this is the Celluma Mystique. This is our brand new release. It's actually the first of its kind to ever treat both the face and over the head for hair restoration.
Okay.
At the same time.
Pop it on like this?
Absolutely. Just throw it on over.
And how long do you wear this for?
So we recommend 30 minutes. That's always going to be the most beneficial treatment. If short on time, 20 minutes will do. Yeah.
And you said hair restoration. So like, how is this doing hair restoration?
So what happens is over time, our cells slow down. So what it does, gives it back that cellular boost, that energy that needs to drive that normal cellular function and get those hair follicles back to growing.
And this in essence has it because it goes over the top of your head as well.
It does, exactly.
And how does it work then with acne? How would this treat my acne?
Yeah, so acne. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of different devices. They're in different colors, different modes. And so we use blue light actually to help with killing that acne-causing bacteria in those devices. And then on top of that, you can use it for aches and pain, for anti-aging use, for body contouring, for hair restoration, all the above.
I want to show one thing over here too, because you have this, the full pad. How does someone use this?
So this is basically an LED blanket. So if you're short on time and you need to get the entire body in 30 minutes, you just put it on you, turn it on, and it just does the work for you there.
Someone's probably tuning in right now saying, oh, I know that for the wrinkles, but if you have muscle aches and pains from working out or whatever, that's going to help alleviate those pains?
Absolutely. So if you're an athlete out there or just have some chronic pain throughout the body, this is an absolutely great device just to kind of run down that treatment.
Amazing stuff. And with this mask too, you can do stuff around the house, chores and everything. All right, I'm going to, I feel so much younger. I'm going to send it back to you, John, in the studio.
Yes, and the best part is it doesn't look ridiculous at all. Good stuff. JC clearly does a lot of good. No. Looks smooth as silk. Thanks, JC. Let's go now to the hard court. Las Vegas Aces in Chicago.